And some breaking news now coming in. We are learning that US Secretary of State Antony Blinken is going to embark on his Israel visit today itself. This is about the push for Gaza ceasefire. Remember, the word that came out from the principal deputy spokesperson of the US State Department, Vedant Patel, in a press statement yesterday was that Blinken is going to travel to Israel today to continue intensive diplomatic efforts to finalize the agreement for a ceasefire and the release of hostages and detainees through the bridging proposal presented by the United States with support from Egypt and Qatar. And hence, the biggest update that we have received from our sources with regards to this particular visit of US Secretary of State Blinken to Israel is that it's going to be today itself, and the push, the prime aim for this particular visit is going to be for the release of hostages as well as the Gaza ceasefire as quickly as possible. So that's the big news of the hour that we have received straight from our sources with regards to US Secretary of State Antony Blinken, all set to visit Israel today to advance the efforts towards securing a ceasefire agreement between the Israel and Hamas, as well as facilitating the release of hostages from Gaza as well. We'll bring you more details with regards to how crucial his visit to Israel is going to be, what kind of bid US is looking forward to at this point of time when they are directly looking in the eye for the upcoming election as well, and how crucial Antony Blinken's visit to Israel with regards to the ceasefire in Gaza is going to be. In fact, we have seen in News 18's Akanksha Swaroop joining us on the phone line early this morning as well. Akanksha, very good morning to you. Over to you, please walk us through the details, how crucial this particular visit by Antony Blinken is going to be for Israel.
A very good morning to you, to Sakshi. Remember, this visit will happen as the peace talks are currently on in Doha. We all know that the West is very much involved in those peace talks, as is Egypt, in Qatar, and Hamas has been absent from those peace talks. But we all know that the only handful of countries that wield some kind of authority over Israel are the United States, and not just the United States. We've seen how Europe has also been urging for a speedy ceasefire, which is why we know that U.S. Secretary of State Antony Blinken is going to be embarking on that Israel visit today only to push for that ceasefire. He's, of course, visiting today only to advance those efforts towards securing that agreement between Israel and Hamas. We all know that after the assassination of Haniyeh, we've seen how Iran has, in fact, vowed to retaliate. We know that this is going to happen at a very critical time. The bridging of the proposal is going to be presented today by the United States, and it already has support from Egypt and Qatar. And we all know that facilitating the hostages from Gaza is a top priority, because remember, all those hostages that are held by Hamas currently, many of them are American citizens. So U.S. is very clear and very concerned about what will happen to those U.S. citizens who've been held as hostages. And that's also one of the priorities at a ceasefire.
Right, Akanksha, apologies for interrupting you over there. That's all the time that we have on that story. It's a wrap from our side for now, but do stay tuned to CNN News 18. We'll come right back with more news and updates right on the other side. Thanks for watching so far.